Okay, so let's start the lesson. So last week we discussed about the law of sines. So now, and I hope that you fully understand the law of sines. So now let us move on to the law of cosines. So don't worry, this will be the last topic for trigonometry. Okay, the law of cosines. So here are the formula. Please wait, it's freezing here. Wait. Okay, so to those who just log in, let me inform you that we are live in YouTube also. But don't worry, your face will not be seen. Your faces, okay, only my face. Okay, so b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared minus 2ac, then cosine capital B. Okay, that's how easy to remember. Okay, when you are about to find the side of a triangle, which is C, so of course it means we have A and B, and then times 2 or minus 2 times A and B. Okay, then cosine the opposite, okay, angle C. So again, we are using this for a triangles that is not a right triangle. Okay, so let us have some examples. So later on, how to find the angle, okay, later. So let us focus first on the sides. Okay, ready? Okay, so let us have example number 1. Okay, given that A is equal to 4 centimeters, and then C is equal to 7 centimeters, and angle B is 130 degrees. Okay, so let us complete the sides and the angles. Okay, so for side B, so I will use red ink. Okay, so B squared, so A squared plus C squared, then minus 2, then multiply the A and C. That's how easy to remember. Okay. Cosine, okay, angle B. So if you will observe the given, we cannot really use the sine law or the law of sines, right? We cannot use it. So that's why we have the law of cosine. Actually, there's the law of tangent, but I think this is enough, okay? Okay, so b squared is equal to 4 squared plus 7 squared minus 2 times 4 times 7, then cosine 130 degrees. Okay, so B, so just like Pythagoras theorem, so square root of 4 squared plus 7 squared. In your calculator, you can press it directly, okay? Square root of, then type the whole formula. Insert the whole formula or the given. Okay, then cosine 130 degrees. Okay, 2 decimal places. Aulaya, what is the answer? Too loud. Again. Again. 10 point. Okay, 10.05. Okay, thank you. Okay, centimeters. So now we have a complete sides. So now let us go to angles. Okay, later on, once you are finished copying, hey, thank you to all my friends who are supporting my YouTube. Finish? Silence means yes. Finish, right? Okay. Now let us find the angle A first. Okay, so I will teach you how to derive the formula, how to easy to remember. Okay. B squared plus C squared minus 2BC, then cosine A. All right. So we are about to find the what do you call this? Angle A. So by deriving the formula, so move this whole term on the other side. So it will become positive, right? So 2BC, okay, cosine A, and then this one. So B squared plus C squared minus A squared. And then 2BC, then 2BC, cancel. So A is equal to, okay, inverse cosine, okay, B squared plus C squared minus A squared all over 2BC. Okay, so this is the formula to find, okay, I just showed you how to derive formulas, okay? So this one, okay, so this is the formula, the exact formula of how to find the angles. Okay, so let us write all the formulas. Okay, wait. So B is equal to, okay, shift cosine. Of course, we have, okay, A squared plus C squared minus B squared all over 2AC. Okay. Shift cosine, okay, A squared plus B squared minus c squared. Okay, 2ab. Am I correct? Hey, wait, huh? I'm just reviewing the. Okay, angle B, shift cosine a squared plus c squared minus b squared all over 2ac. Yes, correct. And then for angle C, a b squared minus c squared all over 2ab. Yes, correct. Okay, so I just write the formula. So let us now get the measure of angle A. Okay, so side B is what is the measure of side B? 10.05 centimeters. Oh, sorry. A first. What is the measure of A? The measure of A is 4. Yeah, 10.05 squared plus, what's the next one? C squared. C is 7 minus A squared. So it's 4 all over 2 times 4. Oh no, sorry, 2BC. .05, then 7 squared. No more squared. Who can tell me the answer? Arada, what is your answer? Did you try to answer it? Huh? Ah, wait. Where's my calculator? Okay. Okay, shift cosine. Wait, I will try to find it first. Minus 4 squared time all over 2 times 10.05 times 7. Oh, why syntax error? $17.75. Yeah, it's correct. But please wait, there's a problem with my calculator. Yeah. 4 squared. Yeah, it's correct. 17.75. But I wonder why my calculator finds error. 10.05 times 7. Yeah, okay. I think I just pressed the wrong number. So 17.75. Correct? So 17.75 degrees. Now to find the angle, what's the next one? C. So just apply the easiest one. Okay, 17.75 degrees plus what's the other angle? Angle B is 130. No, it's not letter O. Syria, what is the answer? For angle, yeah. Okay, 32.25 degrees. And that's it. Okay, moving on. Finish copying. Okay. Okay, now let us try example number 2. Okay, so we have 47 degrees. Then A is equal to 10 centimeters. And B is equal to 14 centimeters. Okay. So we have to find first the side C. Okay, so we have C squared equals A squared plus B squared minus 2. Okay, AB cosine C. Okay, let us use the direct formula in calculator. So we have 10 squared plus 14 squared minus 2 times 10 times 14 times cosine 47 degrees. Okay, 10 squared plus 14 squared minus 2 times 10 times 14 times cosine 47 degrees. Ponchanok, what is the answer? Okay, 10.25 centimeters. Thank you. So now we are complete in sides. So let us find out the angle A. Okay, let's try to write the whole formula now. So from A, right? So it means that the side A should be here, negative. So B squared plus C squared minus A squared, then 2BC. Okay, so that's how easy to remember the formula. So it means that the side A should be negative. Okay, if you are about to find the angle A, should be negative side A. If angle B, side B should be the negative. Okay. Okay, so B is 14 squared plus C is 10.25 squared minus A is 10 squared. Okay, time all over 2 times 14, and then C, what is C? 10.25. Okay, wait now. I have to answer it first before I call someone. Okay, Rinrada, what is the answer? Not 52. Yeah, 53. Okay. So 45.53 degrees. Okay, so for angle B, not Nietzsche, what is the answer? It's easy. Just subtract from 180 degrees. Okay, 87.47 degrees. Okay. Very good. So now let us try, how about if the given are all three sides, okay, of the triangle. Are you finished copying? Okay, finish, huh? Okay. Okay, example number 3. Given all the three sides of a triangle, 4 centimeter, 6 centimeters, and then C C is equal to 7 centimeters. Right? Okay, so shift cosine. So again, we are about to find the angle A. So it means that side A should be the negative one, okay? The negative and the last one. So B squared plus C squared minus A squared all over 2, then BC. Okay, cosine. We have 6 squared plus 7 squared minus 4 squared all over 2 times 6 times 7. Wait. Yeah, 6 squared plus 7 minus 4 squared all over 2 times 6 times 7. Silada, what is the answer? Okay. Okay, 34.77 degrees. Thank you. Finish copying? Okay, silence means yes. Next, B. So shift cosine. So we have a squared plus c squared minus b squared all over 2ac. Okay, shift cosine. What is a? 4 plus 7 squared minus 6 squared all over 2 times 4 times 7. Plus 7 squared minus 6 squared all over 2 times 4 times 7. Hey, you double check your calculator. Pichayada, can you give me the answer? Uncle B. Okay, 58.81 degrees. Okay. And for the last one, thirty-four point what? 77. Ignara? Can you give me the answer? Angle C. Use the easiest one, subtraction. 180 minus 58. Mm-hmm. Ignara, don't use the cosine. Just use 180 minus 58.81 is the same. Just subtract from 180. What's the answer? You can do it. Uh-huh. Okay, 0.42. 86.42 degrees. Hey, I just want to try something, okay? But okay, after we find the angle A, I want to try if I will use sine B, then sine A over A. I want to try if I will have the same answer. Okay. So B is equal to, okay, shift sine sine 34.77 degrees times B is 6 all over 4. Let's try if I can have the same answer. If not, then let's really focus if sine law, if cosine law, cosine law. Or there's a little bit difference. All over A is 4. 58.81, yes. 58.81 degrees. So it's up to you if after finding the one angle, you can use law of sine if you want. But to make sure, maybe cosine only, okay? I will put instructions. Use law of cosine so that all of us can have the same answer. Because sometimes there's a little bit difference. If you use cosine and then another one is sine, law of sines. Okay? All right, so wait, I